Outdoor spaces provide a perfect setting for children to learn, adventure, and let their imaginations run wild. The best outdoor toys will enhance time outside for kids. These outdoor toys not only encourage active play, but also have physical and developmental benefits for your kids. In order to help you to find out the best one, we have selected and reviewed 6 best outdoor games for kids, which are recommended by users and field experts. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in the description. Number 1. Giggle & Go Kids Bowling Set. It is lightweight and easy to carry, perfect indoor or outdoor games, for family or kids. This giant inflatable bowling set develop hand-eye coordination, balance, and some friendly competition among kids. Flat sand-weighted base provides just enough weight to keep the pins standing even while playing some lawn games. Made with a stronger quality PVC, set includes 6 giant inflatable bowling pins and 1 inflatable bowling ball. Number 2. Activ Life Kids Flying Rings. Available in different pleasing colors. Activ flyers are the world's easiest flyers to throw and catch, and perfect for young children. Unique design flies straight, and can be caught in the smallest of hands, on your wrist, or even your foot. The weight is just 33 g. These are 80% lighter than standard flying discs, which means comfortable catches. Great gift for children of all ages, from 3 to 12 years old, and fun for adults too. Easier to throw straight, and float on water, soar up to 80 feet, on calm days and indoors. Number 3. Wowmazing Giant Bubble Wands Kit. Proudly made in the USA, these giant bubble wands create long giant bubbles, thanks to a 2-handle design. It is safe, environmentally friendly, non-toxic, and biodegradable. A set of giant bubble maker, 2 pouches of Wowmazing bubble concentrate, and a tip and tricks booklet is included. A wonderful birthday activity, or gift for boys and girls of all ages. Number 4. Elite Sportz Ring Toss Games for Kids. Fun for all ages, and perfect on a boring, rainy day, or as backyard games, for kids. The ring toss outdoor game is simple to set up, and only takes a few minutes. Set includes 10 plastic rings, 5 rope rings, 5 pegs, and 2-part standing base. High-quality construction makes the set perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Take the fun wherever you go, with this compact, easy storage carrying bag. Number 5. Motoworx Toy Rocket Launcher. Durably designed and reliably built to withstand endless hours of jumping, stomping and playtime. The set includes 8 full foam rockets, in 3 fun colors, plus a folding yellow stand. Watch rockets soar, up to an incredible 100 feet, in the air, with the perfect stomp. Backyard friendly and parent approved, and won't shoot so far that kids lose track of them. Number 6. Xben Inflatable Buddy Bumper Balls. Made of non-toxic PVC vinyl, constructed of tear-resistant, to ensure the body bumpers withstand long hours of enjoyment. Its inflatable cushioning makes it safe for fun for kids, also can be completely clean and reuse. Suitable player weight is 110 to 330 pounds. 2 handles are in the front for you to hold and carry the ball when rolling. Kids can wear it, roll around in it, or bump up against friends.